When using a scythe stone to hone an axe, it's usually easiest to use it as if it were a file. As I flip the axe over, I now switch to a drawing stroke as a matter of convenience. Now, one thing that I do want to mention here is that this shouldn't be considered a comprehensive video on how to sharpen an axe, just techniques on using a scythe stone to hone one. And then a little bit more work on this side again, just to make sure that everything's nice and trued up. And you'll notice that even though at the beginning of the video I said that we'd be using the stone like a file, because a stone can cut in any direction, unlike a file, we're able to use strokes that you wouldn't be able to use with a file itself. In case anyone is curious, this is a piece of well-seasoned ash.